Okay, next what I do is get some boiling water, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to bend the hose and the regulator in this position, so we're creating a bit of a U-bend there. And then what we're going to do is we're going to submerge this part in the water up to this part. I want to avoid getting any water into the regulator, and all we're going to do is we're going to just drop that down into place. So the regulator is not in the water, and it only needs to go in there just for about 10 seconds or so. And again, and that will help to soften it up. I'm going to move that out of the way. We then just give that a dry, and that will make it easier to pull off. Then it will make it so much easier to put a new regulator in place.